Hello everyone. So welcome to LearnWiz. I hope all of you are doing very well. So this side Rahul. So again today came with a new video. So before starting a video, I have a small request. I have seen our video has watched by the lot of people's like our long video as well as short video. So it is a humble request. So please subscribe our channel. So we will bring you more educational contents and we also feel motivated. Okay, because I've seen a lot of people is just watching the videos and not able to subscribe or share with their friends. Okay, so if you have any friends, students, ongoing school students, so you can share with them, so it will help them. And also plus then you will give the feedback what improvement we can make in our social medias, in our YouTube videos, which topic we can bring a new videos. So we will work according to that. Okay, and so according to that, it will helpful for also because we want to give you the best education because our goal is to learn more, achieve more because our tagline is dream, believe, achieve. So if you dream, so you have to believe us and we will help you to achieve. Okay, so with that note, we will starting a new video. That is a class 8 CBSE Exponents and Power. Okay, you have already seen our exponents video, law of exponent, where we have done. So in this video we will go with the all the exercise of the NCERT, where we will deal with the each question, how you can tackle this question, and soon we will start bringing a ICSE video also. Okay, with the chapter wise. Okay, so if you give the feedback, we will feel motivated. What the topic you want, what content you want, what are the suggestions regarding our Instagram, Facebook, x.com. So we will bring based on that. Okay. And in this video, we will see about the class 8 CBSE NCERT book. That is the exponent and power, where we will deal with the each questions. Okay. And based on that, we will provide the step-by-step solution. Okay, so from the starting to end, stay in the video. You can learn all the tips and tricks, and also most important, subscribe our channel. Okay, and follow our social media handles, so you will get all the proper information, regular updates of our videos. Okay, so in this note, let's start the video. So here is our first exercise, that is a 10.1 exponent and powers. So exponent and power, we have seen the some law, that is a 5 law of exponent. Based on that, this chapter we will do. Okay, so here you can able to see the first question. It is saying 3 to power minus 2. So how you can solve? So I have told you in that chapter. I will put a description box, the link of that video, so you can watch that one also. So in this question we can say, hey, this is a 3 to the power minus 2. So whenever you have any power is negative, so what we will do, we will bring them into their reciprocal. So it will come 3 to power 2. Okay, so based on that, you can say 1 by 3 times 3. So that is equal to what? 1 by 9. Okay, now let's see the second question. Now second question, it is saying minus 4 whole exponent minus 2, means power is minus 2. So how you can deal? So first we will bring this negative power into denominator. So you will get minus 4 whole is 2. I told you previously in our video, so any number, a negative number, if their power is even or odd, their result is decide on that. So you can see here minus 4 and this minus 4 power is 2. So it is a even power, even number. So which means their result will come what? Positive. So if the power is of negative number, power is even, so the result you will get positive. Okay, if power is odd, then your result will get negative. This is basically for negative number, Okay, so we will see here. So here 1 by minus 4 square. So you can say this one minus 4 times minus 4. So you will get what? 1 over 16. Hope it's clear. Now, so the third question we will see. This is given, third question, 1 by 2 and whole exponent is minus 5. Power is minus 5. So first we will convert them into positive exponent. So we will say this is 2 power 5. Okay. Now after that you can say 2 to power 5. So 2 times 5. So you can say 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. And 16 times 2, 32. So your answer is 32. Hope it's clear. Now we'll come back to the next question. Okay, so next question, it is saying simplify, express the result in the power notation with a positive exponent. So here you have given the question, so we have to express them into positive exponent. Okay, so first question we will see here. It is given minus 4 whole power is 5, and it is divided with here minus 4 whole power 8. Okay, so you have remember we have done the second law, that is a quotient law. So first here we will apply the division quotient law. So we can say minus 4 whole exponent, whole power 5 by minus 4 power 8. Now you can see both number, numerator and denominator, base is same. So now we can apply the what? Quotient law. So we can say minus 4 whole, what we can say, 5 minus 8. So which means you will get here how much? You will get minus 4 whole minus 3. Now again it will come as a negative exponent. So you can write this one is equal to 1 by minus 4 and whole exponent 3. So your negative exponent has converted to a positive exponent. Hope you understand. Now coming about second question. Second question, it is saying 1 by 2 to power 3 and whole power is 2. So you can say this one, we can say 1 to the power 2 by 2 to power 3 and whole 2. So you know, remember power rule, power law. So we can apply that one. So 1 square will be 1. So here 2 to power 3 times we can write 2. So this one you will get how much? 1 by 2 to power 6. Okay, and if you want you can write this one 1 over 2 whole power is 6, because 1 having any number of power. Okay, so result will come 1. Okay, let's see the third one. So third one, it is saying minus 3 whole power 4 by 5 over 3 and whole power is 4. So first one, here we will solve this one. We can say here minus 3 whole power 4, and then we can say 5 to power 4 by 3 to power 4. Okay, now you can see here this much you have got it. Now you can see here this negative number, here this negative number having how much power? 4. So 4 means what? 4 is our even number. So based on that we can directly write this one. So we can say 3 to the power 4 times 5 to power 4 by 3 to power 4. Now you can see this 3 to power 4 and 3 to power 4 is same. So we can say 3 to power 4 minus 4 times 5 to power 4. So you will get how much the result? You will get 5 to power 4. Hope you have cleared with this one. Now let's solve the next question. Next question is fourth one. It is saying 3 to power minus 7 divided by 3 to power minus 10, and then whole is multiplied with 3 to power minus 5. Okay, so let's solve this one. So first one, you can see we have to solve the brackets. So here we will give the preference to the bracket. So first we will apply what? Here again we will apply the quotient law. So we can say 3 to power minus 7 minus and minus 10. Okay, because you can see the both having same base, and then after that you can say times 3 to power minus 5. So you will get how much here, which means 3 to power minus 7 and minus minus become plus, so you can say plus 10, and whole you have 3 to power minus 5. So after that you will get 3 to power 3 and multiply with 3 to power minus 5. Okay, now you have to apply the product law. So 3 to power 3 plus minus 5. So you will get how much? You will get 3 to power minus 2, and it is minus 2. So you can write 1 over 3 to power 2. Hope it's clear. Now, so based on that, this question we have solved. Now, one last question we have left. So we will solve that one also. Let's try. The last question we have saying fifth one. So let's see the fifth one. So fifth one, it is saying 2 to power minus 3 times minus 7 times 3 minus 3. Okay, you can see the same question we have here written. So you can see 2 to power minus 3 times minus 7 to power minus 3. Okay, now so you can see here first one, both the number exponent is same, but their base is different. So what we will do first one, so we can first say 2 times minus 7 and whole power is minus 3. So you will get how much? So this one you will get minus 14 whole exponent minus 3. Okay, now you will get the result. Now you have to bring them into positive. So you can bring them into, you can say 1 over minus 14 and whole exponent is 3. Hope you got it clear. Now if you want, you can write one more step between that. You can say 1 over minus 14 over 3, and you know 1 having any exponent, value will be 1. So that's why I have directly written. So if you want, you can write this step also. Okay, so hope you are clear. Now let's come at the third question. So now in the third question, it is saying find the value. Okay, so first question you have given here that 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1, and it is multiplying with 2 to power 2. So first, any number having a power is 0 or exponent is 0, so which means their value will come 1. So we can write here 1, and here you can say 4 is having negative power, so we can say 1 over 4. Okay, now after that it is multiply with 2 to power 2. So now you can first solve inside by LCM. So you can say inside the LCM, so you will take the LCM by 4, and here you will get here 4 plus 1, and outside 2 square. So 2 square you will get 4. Now after that you can remove the bracket, so you will get 5 over 4 multiply with 4. So your 4, this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. So how much answer you will get? This one 5. Okay, hope it's clear. Now let's solve second one. Now second one, it is saying 2 to the power minus 1 times 4 to the power minus 1 divided with 2 to power minus 2. Okay, so first we have to solve brackets. So because we have to follow the BODMAS rule, so here first we will say this one, and here inside a bracket both are negative exponent. So we will say 1 by 2 times here 1 by 4. Okay, and then outside also you have a negative exponent, so divided by 1 by 2 square. Okay, now after that you can say this one inside you will get how much? Inside bracket both are multiplying, so inside you will get 1 by 8. Okay, because numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply with the denominator. So 1 will multiply with 1 and 2 will multiply with the 4. So you will get 1 by 8. Okay, now it's divided with so 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4. Okay, now after that you can multiply this one. So 1 by 8 and division. Fraction will divide it with the fraction. So you can say division sign will change to multiplication, and second fraction will get inverse. So you will get 4. So this 4 and this will get cancelled. So you will get 2 times. So you will get final answer 1 by 2. Hope it's clear. Now let's solve the next question. Question number third. So question number third, it is saying 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and whole exponent minus 2 plus 1 by 3 and whole exponent you have minus 2 and plus 1 by 4 and whole exponent you have minus 2. So first we have to bring all the negative exponent to positive one. So you will get here how? So you will get 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Now 2 square you will get how much? 4, and 3 square you will get how much? 9, and 4 square you will get 16. Now you can add all them. So 4 plus 9, 13, and 13 plus 16, 29. Hope it's get clear. Now next one we have a fourth question. Let's solve the fourth question. So 3 to power. So fourth question you have 3 to power minus 1 plus 4 to power minus 1 plus 4 to power minus 1 and whole power is 0. So let we will say fourth one question 3 to power minus 1 plus 4 to power minus 1 plus 5 to power minus 1 and whole power is 0. So first here we will bring all the number into positive exponent. So we can say here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Okay, now and after that whole exponent is 0. So remember, whenever any number exponent is 0, so value will get 1. But you do not have to write directly 1. You have to solve. So for solving, you have to take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. So 3, 4, 5 LCM you will get. You will take the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. So that you will get 60. Now 60 you will get, so you can convert them. So you can say 60. Now 60 divided with the first fraction denominator 3. So you will get 20. Okay, so 20 will multiply with the first fraction numerator, that is 1. Same with you can say 4 is divided with the 60. You will get 15. Okay, and 15 will multiply with the 1. So you will get 15. Okay, and same with 5 will divide with the 16, so you will get this one 12. Okay, and 12 will multiply with the numerator, you can write 12. Now if you want detail about the fraction, you can check out our video fraction where we have explained the fraction detail wise. Okay, so there also you will get an idea. So based on that you can add this to, so 20 plus 15 you will get 35, and 35 plus 12 you will get 47 over 60. And now you can say whole exponent you will get 0. So directly you can say now that is equal to 1. Hope it's clear. Now coming with the next question, that is a fifth question. What is our fifth question? It is saying, so the fifth question it is saying here you have a 2 brackets. So you have remember board mass, so we have to follow that rules. So here you can see the first bracket is curly brackets, and in curly bracket you have a power of 2. Then you have a small bracket, there you have a power is minus 2. Okay, and after that you have a minus 2 over 3. So here basically we have to use the power rule. Okay, let's solve this one. So the fifth question, write the fifth question. So fifth question you have a curly bracket, that and then a small bracket. So a small bracket minus 2 over 3 and a small bracket close, and you will get what? Minus 2, and then curly bracket close, you will get here 2. Okay, so first we have to remove the curly bracket by applying the power rule. So we can say this one, you have a minus 2 over 3, and you can say minus 2 times 2. So you will get how much? This one you will get minus 2 over 3 times 4, minus 4. So you have got this one. Now you have got negative exponent, so you have to reverse them. So you will get reverse. So how much you will get? This is 3 over minus 2 whole power is 4. Now after that you can break them based on the quotient law. So you can say 3 to power 4 and minus 2 to power 4. Now you can say the negative number with even number power. So you can say 3 to power 4 you will get 81, and this 2 to power 4 you will get 16. So 18 1 over 16 your final answer. Hope this much is clear. Now, coming about next question, we have, so question number 4, it is saying evaluates. There is a two question, first bit and second bit. So let me will first solve the first bit. So first bit, it is saying here, question number 4, we have to solve the first bit. So we can say here 8 exponent minus 1 times 5 exponent 3 by 2 to power minus 4. Okay, so in this question we have 8. So first we have to bring all them into positive exponent. Okay, so how we can bring? So simple way, first we will say this is 1 over 8. Okay, and the 5 to the power 3, so that you will get 125 over, and 2 to the power minus 4, so you will get this one how much, 1 by 2 to power 4. Okay, now after that you can say this one is equal to 125 over 8, and this whole you can say by 1 by 2 to power 4, you will get how much, 16. You can say this, we will say 125 by 8, and this is divided, so you can say divided by 1 over 16. Now you can see both has come into fraction, so here lot of a student will make a mistake, so don't worry, I will show you. So if suppose you will get fraction divided by fraction, so how you can solve? So you can say first fraction you will take 125 over 8, and division sign will change to multiplication, and second fraction inverse reciprocal, so you can say this will go with 2 times, so which means 125 times 2, so you will get what, that is 250. Okay, so hope it's clear. The final answer you have 250. Let's solve the second one. So second one you have given, that is bracket 5 exponent minus 1 times 2 exponent minus 1 times 6 exponent minus 1. Okay, so now here also you can see all you have inside a bracket negative exponent. So first we have to convert them into positive exponent. So we can say 1 over 5 times 1 over 2, and outside also you can say multiply by 1 over 6. Okay, this much is clear. Now, so inside bracket you can see both fraction is multiplying. So again I told you numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will multiply with denominator. So you can say 1 and 5 times 2, so you will get 10, and after that 1 times 6. So you will get now again multiplication. So 1 by 10 times 1 by 6. So you will get here 1 by 60. Hope it's clear. The second, fourth, both part. Now coming about, you have fifth question you have given. So fifth question, how we can solve? So it is also very easy. We will solve. Now let's solve the question number 5th. So question number 5th is saying find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided with 5 to power minus 3 is equal to 5 to power m. Okay, so very simple. Let's see. So first we will write the question. So it is saying 5 to power m is divided with 5 to power minus 3 is equal to 5 to power 5. Okay, now first one you can see this both are dividing, so which law we will apply? Quotient law. So we can say 5 to power m divided by 5 to power minus 3 now is equal to 5 to power 5. Okay, now you can see here both base is up same, so we will apply the quotient rule. Okay, so we can say 5 to power m minus 3, okay, is equal to what? 5 to power 5. Now after that we can say both side base is same. Now you can see here both side your base is same. Okay, so what we will do? So we will say base is same, so their exponent is also equal. So we can say m plus 3 is equal to what? 5. So this 3 you can say from left side to right side it will transpose. So how much it will become? So you will get this is m is equal to 5 minus 3. So you will get what? M is equal to 2. Hope you have cleared this one. Now, so this way we can solve such type of question. You will get to find the variables in the exponent. Okay, now we will solve next question, that is question number 6. So question number 6, again evaluate. You have given the two expression, so we have to solve. So first one we will say, hey, this one is given, again curly bracket, and inside that one you have a 2 term. So 1 over 3 inside a small bracket, minus 1, and second one minus, we have given 1 over 4, our whole is minus 1, and then curly bracket minus 1. So first one, we have to convert both negative exponent inside a curly bracket into positive one. So we will say this one is equal to 3 to power 1 minus 1 over 4 negative. So there you will get this is 4, and after that curly bracket minus 1. Okay, now after 3 minus 4, how much you will get? 3 minus 4, you will get here 1, minus 1, and minus 1 exponent you will get minus 1. So which means you can say 1 by minus 1 is equal, whole power is 1. Okay, so which means is equal to your final answer is minus 1. Hope it's clear. If numerator or denominator anyone is negative, so whole fraction is negative. Okay, so hope you understand. Now let's solve the second bit. We can solve the second one. So first one, here we will write the question 5 over 8 whole exponent minus 7 and times 8 over 5 whole exponent minus 4. Now after that, first here you can say first we will solve easy way. So first we will convert the first fraction into positive fraction, a positive exponent. Okay, so we will say 8 over 5 over 7 power, and now you can say the second one we will leave the same, 8 over 5 we will get minus 4. Now you can see both side your base is same. Okay, so what we will apply? Product rule. So we can say 8 over 5 times 7 plus minus 4. So how much you will get here? And also you will get 8 over 5 and whole exponent you will get what? Here you will get 3. So now you can say 8 to power 3 by 5 to power 3. So you know 8q is equal to how much? 512, and 5q is equal to how much? 125. So hope you understand this one. Now let's solve the next question. We can see the last question of this exercise, that is 7. So their first bit it is saying here 25 times t to power minus 4 by 5 to power minus 3 times 10 multiplied with t to power minus 8. So first we will write here that is 5 square, because 25 is the square of 5, then times t to power minus 4 divided by 5 to power minus 3 multiplied with 10 and 10 to power, and then t to power minus 8. This much is clear. Now after that we have what are the like exponent. We will do there, apply the quotient rule. So we can say here 5 to the power 2 minus 3, okay, times t to power minus 4 minus and minus 8. Okay, here you can see we have applied the 2 quotient rule. Okay, and denominator you will remain 10. Now after that you can see this minus here, this minus become multiply with this one, and here this minus also multiply with this one, so it become what? Plus. So we can say here, so 5 2 plus 3, 5 to power 2 plus 3 times t to power of minus 4 plus 8 and divided by 10. Okay, now you can see 5 to power 2 plus 3, 5 to power 5, and times t to power minus 4 plus 8. So you will get what? 4 by 10. Hope you're getting this much. Break the 5 to power 5, 5 times 5 to power 4 times t to power minus 4 and over 10. So now you can say we can cancel this one. So you will get 2. So now we can say 5 to power 4 is how much? 5 to power 5, 25, 25 to power 5, we will get 125, and 125 to 5, we will get 625. So 625 t to power 4 by, are we getting clear? Now let's solve the second bit. So second bit, it is saying here, your question is t to power minus 5 times 10 to power minus 5 times 125 by 5 to power minus 7 and 6 to power minus 5. So here also same way we will go with that. So first we can break them. So we can say 3 to power minus 5 and 10 we can say 2 times 5 whole minus 5. And 125 you can say 5 to power 3, and after that you can say 5 to power 7 minus 7 times 6 to power, and again you can break the 6. So 6 you can say 2 times 3, so whole power is minus 5. Okay, so this much is clear. Now after that what you will do, you will say 3 to power minus 5 times 2 to power minus 5, then 5 to power minus 5 times 5 to power 3. Same way, denominator you can also break every number. So 5 to power minus 7 times 2 to power minus 5 and 3 to power minus 5. Now you can apply the what product law as well as quotient law of the similar base or power. So you can say 3 to power minus 5 minus minus 5. So this will go to the your numerator. Same way, 2 to power minus 5 minus and minus 5. Okay, then this also you have gone to the numerator. Now you can apply for the 5 to power minus 5 plus 3 and minus this one you will also go to the numerator. So you can say minus minus 7. Okay, now you can apply here. Same way, negative sign will change to negative, negative, positive. This will become plus. This also become plus. This also become plus. So how much you will get now? You can just see. So we will get 3 to power minus 5 plus 5. Okay. Then we will get here 2 to power minus 5 plus 5. Okay. And then we will get here 5 to power minus 5 plus 3 and plus 7. So you can see here, you will get this one 3 to power 0 times 2 to power 0 and times 5 to power minus 5 and plus 10. So you will get how much? 5 to power 5. Okay. Now you know any number having coefficient A means power is 0. So you will get 1. So 1 times 1 times 5 to power 5. So you will get how much? Here answer is 5 to power 5. Hope it's clear. So this way we can solve this type of question easy way. Okay, but most important, remember sign conversion. If you make a mistake with the sign conversion, whole question will wrong. Okay, now let's come with the new exercise. Okay, this is a exercise 10.2. So here for every question it is saying express the following number in a standard form. So the number is given in decimal form and bigger form. So we have to express in a standard form in the help of scientific notation. Okay. So first one, you can see the number is given 0.000085. So how many times 0? You have 11 times 0. And also you can say after decimal how many digits? You have a 13 digits. So can we write this number 85 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, because to convert into fraction. So here you will get 85 by this much zeros. So now after that, you can say this one 85 times 10 to power 13. We can say here. Now we have to represent into a standard form. So here you can say, we can say this one is equal to 8.5 times 10. If we 10 will multiply, it will again 85 will come. We can say 10 to power 13. Now here you can see on the top, this one you have numerator 10 to power 1. So we can apply what? Quotient law. So we can say 8.5 times 10 to power 1 minus 30. So how much you will get this one? So this one you will get 8.5 10 to power minus 12. Okay, hope you're getting how to represent this is in a standard form. Next, same way, second number question we can see. So again, you can write this number like 940. And after decimal, you can see how many digits? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we can say same way 914 and 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So now you can say, can we write this one 942 by 10 to power 14? Okay. Now we can say we can split the 942 by this way also 9.42 times 100 and by 10 to power 14. Now 100 we can also write here 9.42 times 10 to power 2 by 10 to power 40. Now you can say on the numerator you also have a 10, denominator also 10. So now we can apply the quotient law. So 9.42 times 10 to power 2 minus 40. So how much you will get? This one you will get 942 times 10 to power minus 12. So now we will got this one in a standard form. Okay, same way you can see this number is given. Third one. So third one also you can say here you can see how many zeros. So 2, 4, 6, then 8, then after 8 you can see this one 10, this 3, 30. So you have given how many zeros? 30. So can we write this one 602 times 10 to power 13? Okay. Now after that you can see we have to express in the standard. Either you can leave, so also you can split more. So you can say we can write this one 6 point. We can take a decimal also because in a standard form we can write in decimal also. So we can say 6.02 into 100 times 10 to power 13. Now after that this you can say 6.02 10 to power 2 times 10 to power 30. Now you can say both are, we can apply the product law here. So we can say 6.02 times 10 to power 2 plus 30. So you will get how much? 6.02 into 10 to power 50. Okay, hope you get it clear. Now let's solve the next question, fourth one. So fourth one you have given like how many zero? 2, 4, 6, 8. 80, and after that number of digits you can say 11. So you can say 837 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So based on that we can write and this you can express 837 by 10 to power 11. Okay. Now you can express the 837 as what? 8.37 times 10 to power 2, which means 100. Okay, by 10 to power 11. So you can write here 8.37 times 10 to power 2 minus 11. So how much you will get? 8.37 times 10 to power minus 9. Hope you clear. Now the last one you can try yourself and you can put a comment section how much you will get. Okay, so hope you have clear with all this one question. Now coming with the next question. So next question you have saying you have expressed the following number in usual form. Basically, you have to express them into usual form. So first we will say 3.02 into 10 to power minus 6 is given. So first we will write this number like 302 by 100 times 10 to power minus 6. Now it is power is minus 6. So can we bring to the denominator? So 302 by this is 10 square times 10 to power 6. So how much you will get? This both will apply as a product law. So you can say this is 302 over 10 to power 2 plus 6. So you will get 302 by 10 to power 8. Okay, this much you have clear. Now, after that, you have to apply them into the there. So, which means the decimal place will move to 8 place. So, which means we have put a 0, then decimal. Then you have to move the 8 decimal place. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you have a digits also. So, you have to take a 5 digit here. Okay, now you have to write 302 because 8 you have a 10 to power 8, so you have to move the decimal 8 place. So you will get 0.000302. Okay, hope you have clear this one. Now coming with the next question. So next question you have, it is given 4.5 times 10 to power 4. So this is easy. So simple you can say 4.5 you have multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to power 4, so 40. So you will get how much this one? Directly you can say this one you will get 4. So here this decimal place will move to 4 place. So 4, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now after that, you can put a decimal. So which means this one you will get how much? This is your final answer of 45,000. Okay. Clear? Now next one you can try with the third one. So third one it is saying 3 into 10 to power minus 8. So same way we can say 3 by 10 to power 8. Now we have to move the 3 along with the 0, 8 decimal. So which means you have to write here first one 0, then 7 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 3. So you can see total 8 decimal place because power is 8. So it is clear. Now next one you have here fourth one. Fourth one it is saying 1.0001 times 10 to power 9. Okay, here it will multiply with what? So you can write 1.0001 and 10 to power 9, which means 10 will have a 9 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after that, you can say we have to move the decimal 9 place toward the right. So we can say 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then decimal. Okay. So which means you will get final answer is how much? 1, 0, 0, 1 and after that you have a 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope it's clear. Now coming about next question, that is 5.8 10 to power 12. So next question we will say 5.8 is multiplied with 10 to power 12. So simple, you can say 5.8 multiplied with 10, that is 12. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hope it's clear. Now you have to move the decimal place 12 times right side. So which means we will get how much? So you will say 5, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this much you will get. Okay, hope it's clear. Now, next one, we have this one, you have 3.6149. Okay, now it is multiplying with 10 to power 6. So we will solve this one. So we can say question number 6. So it is saying 3.61492 times 10 to power 6. I will show you one more trick so you will easy. So here how many decimal place? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first this will multiply, you can say with the 5 decimal place. So you can say 61492. So you can write here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and is equal to 10 to power 6. Now you can see this one is 361492 and you can say 10 to power 5 times 10 to power 6. Now also you can solve this way. So you can say this one 3611492 times 10 to power 6 minus 5. So we will get how much? 3611492 times 10. So which means you will get 3614920. Okay. Now same way I will solve the next question, last question you can say. So you can solve this one also, like you can say 58 over 10. We can write and times 10 to power 12. Okay. So simple you can say this one you will get how much? 58 times 10 to power 12 minus 1. So we will get 58 times 10 to power 11. Okay. So now here, which means 58. After that, you will apply 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So which method you will feel? You can do it. Now, hope you have cleared with this one. Now, coming with the next question. So it is saying, express the number appear in the following statement in a standard form. So you have number is given and you have to express in the following in a standard form. Okay, so it is very simple. It is first one. It is saying 1 micron is equal to 1 by, and here how many? 2, 3, 6. So here you have given this one. So you can write this one 1 by 10 to power 6. Okay, so which means 10 to power 6 meter. So that one is equal to 1 into 10 to power minus 6 meter, 1 micron. Same with charge of electron. So charge of electron, how we can say? We can write 16 and how many you have 0? So 3, 3, 6, 9, 9, 12, 12, 15 and 15, 18 and 20. So you can directly write 10 to power 20. Now, after that, you can say this one, you can write 1.6 into 10 to power 1 and by 10 to power 20. So you can apply here what? Quotient law. So you can say 1.6 into 10 to power 1 minus 20. So we will get how much? 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19. Hope it clear? Now, same way size of bacteria. Size of bacteria, you can see third one. It is saying size of bacteria. So can we write here how many 0? 3, 6 and 7. So you can say 5 over 10 to power 7. Okay. Now, after that, you can see here, this one is equal to 5, 0.5 times 10. Okay. By 10 to power 7. So you can say this one 0.5 10 to power 1 minus 7. So we will get what? 0.5 times 10 to power minus 6. Okay. Now size of plant cell. So again after decimal how much digit? You can see here it is given 3, 4 digits and then after that 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we can say fourth one is that is 1, 2, 7, 5, 175 by 10 to power 8. Okay. Now, after that, you can write this one is equal to 1275 times 100, uh, or you can say 1000. Okay. So, 1000 by 10 to power 8, that is equal to how much? 1.275 times 10 to power 3 by 10 to power 8. Now you can apply the quotient law. So you can say 1.275 is times 10 to power 3 minus 8. So you will get how much? 1.275 times 10 to power minus 5. Hope it's clear. Now next one, it is saying thickness of a paper. Thickness of a paper, you have given how much? That is 0.07. Okay. So same way you can write this one 7 by 100. Now, next one you can say 0.7 times 10 over 10 to power 2. So you can solve this one. So you can say 0.7 times 10 to power 1 minus 2. So you will get how much? 0.7 10 to power minus 1. Hope it's clear. So this much. So now this much you have clear. Now coming about next question. Question number 4, it is saying in a stack there is a 5 books each having thickness 20 millimeter and 5 book seats each having thickness 0.016 millimeter. So what is the total thickness? Okay, so very simple. So first we will say question number 4 here, a thickness by book. Thickness of a book. A book, we can say how much thickness of one book is given? 20 millimeter. And number of books is how much? Number of books is given 5. Number of books is 5. So total thickness by the book, total thickness of is equal to 20 millimeter times 5. So you will get what? 100 millimeter. Okay, same way, there it is saying thickness of a sheet. So its sheet paper thickness is 0.016 millimeter. So we can say thickness of a sheet, that is 0.016 millimeter. And how many thickness of each book, each total number of pages? So we can say number of sheets. Number of sheet is equal to, that is 5. So total thickness of the sheets. Total thickness of sheet is equal to how much? 0.016 times 5. So you can get how much? 0.08 millimeter. Hope you understand. Now, anything asking apart from this one? Yeah. So what is the thickness of a stack? So whole stack thickness, how much you will get? So we can say whole stack thickness. So total thickness of the stacks. So total thickness of stack. So stack means combination of all the seats plus book. So we can say that is 100 millimeter plus 0.08 millimeter. Okay, so we can say this total thickness of this slack you will get 100.080 millimeter. Okay, now you have to, if you want, you can represent in this one also in decimal. So you can say this one, you can see if you move the 2 decimal place. So this one you will get 1.0008 times 10 to power 2 millimeter. Okay, so that also you can write. So hope you have cleared with this all the solution of this chapter. Now if you have any question apart from this one, so just let us know so we can help you. Okay, and if you want any extra worksheet on exponent and power, so just you can reach our Telegram channel. So our team will provide you the extra worksheet. Okay, and same way we will put a exponent and law of exponent full video in the description box. So if you have doubt anything, what is power law, what is product law, what is a quotient law, you can watch that video from starting to end, so to understand it. Okay, so hope you understand all the question solution of NCERT class 8. Okay, and soon we will bring a solution of ICSE board. So keep a stay tuned on our YouTube channel and subscribe also our YouTube channel, follow our social media, and refer your friends, share with your friends, family member to help us. So we will give a motivated and we will bring a more educational contents. Okay, and also give your suggestion most important, and follow our social media handles like Instagram, Telegrams, Facebook. Everywhere our name is by LearnWhich. Okay, so you can just type and you can get it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe the channel. Just a bell icon is there, red color. Just put that one. You can subscribe and give a like, thumbs up of this video if you understand the exponent and power solution very well. Okay, and please comment us in which topic we will bring a detailed video about math. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. Till now, learn more, achieve more, and dream. Okay, so till now, bye, take care, and have a good day.